guys, let's make this is part 2 of that other video. Wait, there was no video. Well, I'm just in the woods. My friend is going to get his dirt bike. And he's going to be riding right here. Across there. And then you'll hear him and see him. It's probably going to make like the sound like tingly a teeny bit. But I'm going to have to take nature's duty, alright? Just sit right here. I love nature. They have so many places to do. Alright guys, I'm back. Alright guys, we're just gonna sit here, wait. Let's just wait. Just listen to the music. There's a rock. It can't be that long. He should already be up there. Oh, yeah. He has to take it out of his rock. That's it. Get ready, guys. Get ready. Woo! Here it comes. Here it comes. Guys, here it comes. My friend's dirt bike is green. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Do it fast. Go fast. Go across here. Now go faster. Yep. That's what I'm looking for. Alright, here's him. He's about to come back. He is. I'm going to race you, Chase! Up! He's coming. I bet he just has to turn around. Hold on. Alright, here he comes. Here he comes. Go fast! Go faster! Dude, that's nice! I got so good shots going down here.
I'm gonna go get Buffalo, okay?
Alright, and then I'll just be sitting here like I did mine, like that time.
I'll be right back.
Alright, bye! That's what's powerful. Yeah. What? All right. Your chain fell off?
Yeah.
Oh.
It happens a lot of times. Hey, do you want to see how hard it is to push this thing up there?
Yeah.
All right, come on.
I'll show the camera also.
This is what I do.
Put the kickstand up.
Come here. Push, push. Oh, hold on. Let me do something. See, does it any do? Hold on. Let me put the kickstand in. Let me get on there. Right, Ben. Alright.
Alright.
Thank you, Ben. Alright. Okay, Ben, stop. Okay. Okay, let go.
Got it?
Yes.
Oh, sorry, camera. Hi, camera. Whew. See, that's what it looks like. This is inside it. I showed them inside it. Look, this is freaking
Stop
hard.
showing my red face.
No,
Oh, crap. Hold on.
look at this.
My dad's coming home.
From where?
I'm gonna have to. Benjamin, you're gonna have to go.
Why?
Because I can't be seen with you while I'm riding my dirt bike.
Bob, just get the four-wheeler. Alright. Just get the four-wheeler, alright? This part is like sand. Maybe it is. This ain't sand, this is dirt. Ooh, there's a trail. Look, a trail. Look, there's it there. He's almost there. See? He's almost there. He's almost there. He might be there already. He might. He made it home. What? Hey, Ben.
What are you doing?
I'm out here filming Chase riding his dirt bike, but the chain broke, so now he's gonna ride his four-wheeler. I'm videoing it.
Don't video me.
Alright, here he comes. Well, get out of this way because he's gonna be. There he is.
I must hide.
There he is. No, he will find you.
No.
He's actually going fast.
Don't come up behind me.
By the way, my brother Brayden, he's right there.
No, he isn't.
Yes, he is.
Listen to him.
Yes, he is. He's right there. Brayden's right there. Let me hop on. Hey, let me hop
I
on.
was just riding my dirt bike and the chain fell off and it hurt my tape. But thanks to this man right here. He
Yeah.
helped me. Why are you barefooting? Are you roughing it here on the wall? My arms hurt so bad they're aching. They're like,
Let me get on the back.
No. Alright, I'm gonna go down these big old hills and come back up there and it's fine.
Wait, hold on. Why can I not ride on the back?
Because you don't have the helmet on, and also if I stop really quick, your head will slam into my head and probably bust your leg. Alright.
Oh.
Man, you can't follow me. I'm super
Wait.
fast.
Hold on. Can you hold this like when you're driving? Make sure you don't break my dad's
Here. I can't.
I'll just try and run with you. I'll be back, Brayden.
No, don't run. I'm gonna come back up here.
Okay. Yeah, down there, there's a real field.
Yeah, I've already been there.
Like, it's just grass.
Yeah, I know.
It's way colder and, like, way newer. Did you bring... Never mind.
No, I didn't. Sorry, I forgot again.
Did you make your choice that you were going to give it to me?
I don't know yet. Didn't really think about it. Honestly, I forgot about it. Last week, call it. Didn't think about it much, but I had other things thinking about.
Homework, school.
Yep.
Yeah! Whew. Whew. Nah. Where are you going?
Well, originally came down here on some trees.
Until you found me? Alright, here you guys go. Woo! Whoa! I bet you can't see the fog, but there is a lot of fog. Can you? Let's see. Yeah, you can see it up there. I got some good shots of that. Wait, hold on.
Hold on.
Bye,
Bye,
guys.
guys.
Yeah, bye.